Instagram growth, which is what you specialize in, is challenging organically. It's definitely a strategy. So we see people killing it on Instagram, and we know that it's not luck. It is strategy that goes into that. And so I'm okay at organic growth, but not the expert, whereas you are wonderful at it. So can you tell us your framework or strategy around building on Instagram?
Yeah, I think one of the problems with Instagram, the reason why people get super frustrated is because they use Instagram for fun, right? They use it to consume and to enjoy. And then it's a really hard switch to be like, oh, I have to be strategic about this. And so they don't take social media in general very seriously in their marketing. And that is a huge mistake, because if you are strategic and if you do have the time or the resources to put energy there, then you can have this organic content that gets you the right followers. So I get it, because I get it. It's a lot. And like 3 or 4 years ago, I was pretty stuck in my follower growth, and I've been doing marketing forever. And so I was like, I've got to figure this out. And I was like, people are doing this. And so I was like, okay, we're going to figure this out. And that's when I really started paying attention to the strategy of Instagram, and how if you want to grow, not just have a ton of followers, because you can post cat videos and get a ton of followers, but never get any sales, right? And so I realized that, just like I would make any other content funnel, I have to apply that content funnel to Instagram. So what that looks like is creating some content specifically to attract new followers in.
Okay.
And then I was going to create some content specifically to nurture those people. And then I could sell to them. If you only do attraction content, it's really hard to sell because you don't have that nurture, building know, like, and trust value. If you always sell, people turn you off, right? Because you're just selling to them, you're a commercial. And if you only nurture, then you're never going to grow. And so your audience stays pretty capped. Okay. And so having a good portion of your content like allocated in that way allows you to look at it strategically. And do you want all the numbers? Do you want the numbers of how to do this?
Let's see it. Yes, I would love the numbers.
So I do my 3-2-1 method. So let's say you post 6 days a week.
Okay.
Just for math's sake, you're posting 6 days a week. You are going to post 3 attraction content, 2 nurture, and 1 sell. So 3-2-1.
Yep.
And what that does is Instagram is a really great top of funnel place, right? Because if you do organic content well in the right way, Instagram can just for $0 bring you the right people. And so you have that attraction content up front that's going to be, you're doing more of that because that's what this platform's used for. Yeah. And then you have that nurture content to back it up. And so when people do see your content, that they want to follow because they see that you're bringing value.
Okay.
And then you have the sell content because we need to make money. So
of course, yes. Yeah. I like how tangible that is. So we're breaking it down 6 days a week, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this short clip. To watch or listen to this episode in its entirety, view the description below. See you next time.